850 here. Then once we are pushing the semen sample, so we attach this syringe like this. It will fit. And what type of lock is this? Lure lock. It's a lure lock. Lure lock is the strongest lock in the body. In case for one day, in case we eradicate lure lock, all satellites, no, medical तो वो छोटा सा है, all the satellites, all technology, everything will just crumble. The whole world will stop working. The lure lock is the one which is making us sustain. More than the food, it is lure lock actually. The whole technology is lure lock. So we take 850 and how do we push? Gently. Very gently I am pushing. We'll have resistance. And I am pushing, I'll find the semen sample moving out below the membrane. ये पहला घुंडी है. Some people what they do is they do like this. Don't do like this. Do very gently.
So will you keep it on the surface?
Surface like this. You'll do it. I'll make you do it. I'll make you do it. See, there are two ways to teach. I can show you, I'm showing this from nearly 5 years now with various devices. I can show you a lot of videos, but I don't want to show a video now. Videos will come, but you have to see for a C3 batch, I'll only show them a video and do it within 5 minutes. But for with C2 batch, you have to conquer this year. You have to conquer. अगर इसे conquer नहीं करा, see this device may be like this, or device can be of many varieties available to you, but they all work on the same principle. Some will take 850, somebody will take 700, but thing is that never at the inlet, never push here. Very gently push here. And this is the outlet, and when you go to the outlet, see it is all lure lock. You come here, again don't apply sudden pressure, sudden pull. Pull it very, very gradually and take around 400 microns of the media. So how do we work on it? Now you've seen the device. It's called Zamot device. Seen the syringe. And now I will gradually move on to more simpler things. So we have added 850 of semen sample here. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
We have added 2 or 3 drops in the outlet. Media. Media. Sample तो नीचे जाना है.
What is that media?
It's just a washing media. You will do it yourself. You'll come to know that. It's a simple washing media which you use for semen. I think yesterday Mrs. Sehgal would have shown you some media by which they do semen preparation. Same media. Put 2 drops here and then pour 700 on top of the membrane. You're pouring, rest on top of the membrane, and after we have added like this, so this is one more close-up view.
700 media again on top of that.
On the top of that. So look at this now. It's like this. So we have put 850 of semen sample here, and we've added 2 drops in the outlet and media. Semen sample stops here, but we have got the culture media here, herpes buffered media here, and then we add 2 or 3 drops here, which will amount to 50 microliters, and then put rest of media on top of this filter membrane. Just drop it. So we have taken 850 of semen sample, 850 microliters, and then we have added 850 here. After sample is gone, then that syringe can be discarded. Then you take one more syringe and put 50 microliters in the outlet, अंदाजे के साथ में 2-3 drops, and pour rest of the media over this membrane. This is called a polycarbonate. ऊपर से डालना है, ऊपर से drop by drop over. That's ऊपर से गिराने में फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ऊपर से गिराने में can drop it fast also, but we should always work slowly. So we are putting 2 drops in the outlet, and rest all we are dropping here. Is it okay? Not difficult? See here. So semen sample will go in the inlet. 1 drop is left here, and culture media will be putting 2 or 3 drops in the outlet, and rest all will come here. Done? So how do we proceed? We get a semen sample in the bottle. Sample आया हमारे पास में. We make the sample liquefy over a period of say 40 minutes. Sample liquefied, we take one drop and we look at one drop and do the pre-wash semen count. We can do that? Absolutely good. Then we take 850 microliter of semen sample. 850 is the marking on the syringe. Without any bubble, take the sample out. And then this sample we'll be putting very slowly. This is the main catch of this device. Don't be in a hurry. Inject 850 from the inlet. You remember, no? I showed you the inlet and told you very slowly, return slowly. And then add 50 microliter over the outlet, and then rest you pour on top of the membrane. And then you keep it in a plate like this in the incubator just for heating for a period of 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you take it out. So this is, we are pouring 50 here and 700 here. And then you keep it in the incubator for 30 minutes. But this incubator is only incubating. This incubator is not giving it any carbon dioxide. It is only incubating. Incubating means only temperature. And that should be humidified. 37 degree, of course. And that should be humidified. Dry heater, no. Because this is the media is here, media will dry then. This should be a humidified device. And how do we make anything humidified? Keep a tray, keep some water in some tray for half an hour, it'll become humidified. Okay. And then after 30 minutes, you take the sample from the outlet and you can carry out IUI or we can carry out IVF. This is all about the technology and